Howdy! If you follow my channel, then you know that I'm pretty much just exclusively a Japanese car guy. But my daughter wanted a convertible, so I bought a Jeep. I scooped up this 2010 Wrangler Sport for $5,800 at the local auction. It definitely needs some work, but it only has 73,000 miles. It's pretty basic and looks like a postal delivery truck, so it should be a fun project. As you can hear, the serpentine belt is pretty squeaky, so I'm going to start with that and then some fresh fluids and maintenance items. Believe it or not, this was a bank repossession, so I got it for about half of its retail value. Being from New England, it looks pretty crusty underneath, but actually the frame is pretty solid. The fuel tank shield, however, is completely rotted out. And unfortunately, the oil pan is pretty crusty too. Good news is, all of these parts are available in only a couple of days on Amazon. I bought this brand new replacement fuel tank shield for $240. They did a really nice job packaging it up to ship. This is a pretty common issue where they just collect salt, water, and road debris and rot out from the inside. You're really supposed to take the fuel tank out to replace this shield, but I found a nice workaround using a ratchet strap. Good ass new. I also got a Dorman oil pan and a Felpro gasket for about $60. Out with the old, in with the new. This original bumper was pretty waffle stomped, so I decided it was a good opportunity for an upgrade. I bought this heavy-duty steel Rubicon bumper on eBay for $255. The original wheels and tires were pretty worn out and ugly, so I decided to upgrade to these 2020 Rubicon wheels. I got all 5 for $450. The 18-inch wheels gave it a little bit of a lift and a beefier stance, so I had to go do a little flexing.
We love to go in the Jeep and get ice cream. It's a lot of fun.
It's only got about 73,000 miles, so that should be an easy sale. I had to buy some tacky seat covers because it's a Jeep thing. You wouldn't understand. Here's how I got it. And here's how it turned out. I posted it up for sale on Marketplace for just about $12,000, and it sold right away for my full asking price. My girls were a little upset that I sold it, so I had to replace it right away. Just got back from the auction. This is my newest purchase. Obviously, I'm thrilled about the pink and purple accessories. It's called the Little Nightmare. Hopefully that's not accurate. Hoping it's more of a dream come true. 2017 Wrangler Sport Unlimited 4-door with 91,000 miles. I bought this for exactly how much I sold my 2010 for. So just over 11,700 I paid for this. And all the faded purple accessories were free. Awesome. Super cool. Love it. And yoink! Yoink! I sold these hideous abominations in under a day for 700 bucks. I think I might have underpriced them. Then I scored these factory wheels with brand new Michelins for 400 bucks. So after a lot of cleaning and unmodifying, I'm pretty happy with this Jeep. My original investment was $5,800, which turned into $73,000 after I finished with my first JK. I sold that for $12,000 and bought this one the next day for $11,700. All said and done, I have about a $20,000 Jeep for $7,000 out of pocket. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.